up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is LostBoy51, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Elgato Stream Deck Plus. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back. With 8 customizable LCD keys, 4 multifunction dials, a dynamic touch strip, single and multi actions, detachable cable, and a Stream Deck store. Let's get into the unboxing of the Elgato Stream Deck Plus. What up, guys, and we're back, and we have the Elgato Deck Stream Plus right here. Let's get into it. So it comes in a square case in here. Looks pretty cool. Packaging is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and give it a open up here. Okay, so right off we have a black case here. Looks really nice. This is cardboard. So let's get that on out of here. Alright, so let's see what this is in here. Okay, so inside of there we have the instructions. This is what you're going to be getting in there. If you decide you want to pick this up. Okay. Right off we can see the knobs here. We probably have this as a screen protector, so let's take that on off. So as you see, the 8 dials are here. We have the touch screen, and we have the 4 knobs. This actually looks really nice, guys. Look at this here. So yeah, look at this. Really looks nice. So let's get that on out here. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a built-in stand, and I don't think this stand is removable, so you cannot remove this stand. So that's a nice, cool design. You can actually set that up. And let's see what else we got in this box here. So also we have in this box here the detachable cable. So it's a USB cable, C port on one end, HDMI port on the other end. And that was the unboxing of the Elgato Stream Deck Plus. For more content, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next time when I'm live and the next time a new upload comes out. As always, over here on the channel, much love from the TLO Game Over family. Until next time, we out.
Time.